Alright guys, I just got the over-the-toilet storage shelves today, and this is what it looks like out of the box. You get 4 metal shelves, of course the supporting poles and the hardware to put it together, and of course an instruction manual. So let's put this together and see what it looks like. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put these brackets on the shelves. So the shelf will basically come with, like this goes on the bottom of the shelf. This is the top of the shelf. This is the bottom of the shelf. You've got a little lip on there, and basically that just fits over there. Put a couple of the fasteners in, and you're good to go. So you do all the shelves first. Okay, as you can see, I've already put one of the poles together. And it's pretty easy. You have your 3 poles. So this is the bottom pole with this thing here. And this just basically fits in to the end like so. That'll just snap into place. And then you put the smaller pole in the middle. It just fits onto the other there. And then the last pole, this just fits onto the second pole. And then basically this just fits on the pole like so, and that will go against your ceiling. And of course this has the rubber base. This will be on the floor. Okay, I brought the poles into the bathroom, and as you can see, they are pretty close to the ceiling. So one thing I definitely would recommend before you purchase is measuring where you're going to be putting them, just to make sure you're able to adjust it. And I have just enough space there to adjust it. Okay, I tightened it against the wall. Of course, as you can see, I have popcorn ceilings, so it's a little bit more difficult to deal with, but it will hold in place if you play with it long enough. And what I did was, before I tightened it down, I attached one shelf to sort of get the measurement right. And there it is on the floor. Okay, there it is, guys. All 4 shelves put in place. They're easy to put on. You may find that you may need to move the shelf away from the wall a little bit so you don't scratch the paint on your wall when you're fitting it on the bars, because it can be kind of a tight fit. But it's sturdy. And it looks good.
I got the ALLZONE 4-shelf over the toilet space saver. I've pre-installed the shelf brackets. These are the floor pods. Extra length if you need it. There's the top. The instructions on how to. Very, very good product. I highly recommend the ALLZONE over the toilet shelf.
Go to the head, okay? We'll need 2 seconds. Roll.